In assignment problems, there are certain variations, and based on those variations, we have to find the optimal solution to the given problem. One such type of variation is when the problem is of maximization type. So maximization type means what? A profit is given to you, a profit for allocating this task to this worker, so that is given to you. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to find the optimal assignment schedule in such a way so that the total profit should be maximized. So जब भी maximization का question आ जाए तो what you have to do before finding the solution, what you have to do, you have to convert the maximization problem into minimization. So how you will convert the maximization problem into minimization? By subtracting all the elements of the matrix from the highest element of the matrix. Now consider an assignment problem in which there are 5 machines and 5 jobs. The profit is given to you if this machine is assigned this job. So what you have to find? You have to find the optimal assignment schedule so that the total profit should be maximized. So what is the first step? You have to convert this maximization problem into minimization by subtracting all the elements of this matrix from the highest element. Now which is the highest element in this matrix? So if you look at this matrix, so 41 is the highest element. You subtract all those elements from 41. So 41 minus 32, this is 9, then 3, then 1, 13, 1. In the second row, 1, 17, 13, 25. In the third row, this is 0, 14, 8, 11, 4. In the fourth row, this is 19, 3, 0, 5, 5. In the last row, so it is 12, 8, 1, 6 and 2. So now this problem, so this is what? This is a minimization problem. Now find the optimal solution to this minimization problem. So there is only one method of finding the optimal solution, so that is called Hungarian method. So what is there in Hungarian method? The first step in Hungarian method is check for square matrix. That is, you have to check whether number of rows and number of columns are same. If number of rows and number of columns are equal, so then it is called a square matrix, or it is called a balanced assignment problem. Now number of rows are what? 5 and number of columns are 5. So therefore the first condition is satisfied, that the matrix is the square matrix. Now next step is reduction of matrix. So reduction of matrix means what? You have to bring at least 1 0 in each row and in each column. So how to bring at least 1 0 in row and column? So by subtracting the minimum value of that row from all the other values of that row. तो पहले row wise operation perform करना है. That is, we have to bring at least 1 0 in every row. Then we'll move towards the column wise. So starting with the row wise. Now starting with the first row, the minimum value in the first row is what? 1. So subtract this minimum value from all the other values. So this comes out to be 8, 2, 0, 12 and 0. In the second row, minimum value is 1. So 0, 16, 12, 19 and 4. In the third row, minimum value is what? 0. Matlab there is already 1 0 in this row. So leave this. So write the value as it is. So this is 0, 14, 8, 11 and 4. Now in the fourth row, again single 1 0 is there. So leave that row. Write the values as it is. 19, 3, 0, 5 and 5. Now in the last row, which is minimum value 1, so this comes out to be 13, 7, 0, 5 and 1. So by performing row wise operation, तो we have bring at least 1 0 in every row. अब चेक करो कि हर कॉलम में सिंगल 0 है. अब इस कॉलम में सिंगल 0 है, इस कॉलम में नहीं है, इसमें है, इसमें नहीं है. तो नेक्स्ट इज perform the same operation column wise so as to bring at least 1 0 in every column. Now looking at the first column, so 0 is already there. You write down the value as it is. Now in the second column, no 0 is there, so which is minimum value 2. So subtract this from all the values of the column. So 14, 12, 1 and 5. Now in third column, 0 is already there. So write the value as it is. Now in the fourth column, minimum value is what? 5. So subtract this value from all these values. So 7, 14, 6, 0, 0. In the last column, so 0 is already there. So write the value as it is. So after performing this reduction of matrix row wise and column wise, the next step is making optimal assignments in the reduced matrix. So that is, you have to make the assignments in this final reduced matrix. Now what is the method of making assignment? We have to move row wise. So what is the method? You look for single zero in the first row. कि फर्स्ट रो में सिंगल जीरो है नहीं है तो यू लीव इट, यू विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द सेकंड रो. आर यू गेटिंग अ सिंगल जीरो इन द सेकंड रो? यस. सो देयर इज अ सिंगल जीरो, यू पुट एन असाइनमेंट ओवर दैट जीरो एंड कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस सेल उस कॉलम में जितनी भी जीरोस है उसको क्रॉस कर दो. तो दिस इज द जीरो विच वी हैव क्रॉस्ड. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड द थर्ड रो, आर यू गेटिंग अ सिंगल जीरो? नहीं है. सिंगल जीरो का मतलब क्या है कि वो नाइदर असाइंड है ना क्या है वो crossed है. तो it should be only like this. So that is what called single zero. Now moving towards the fourth row, are you getting a single zero? No. So there are two zeros, so we'll leave it. Now moving towards the fifth row, again there are two zeros. मतलब in any of the row you are not getting a single zero. So when this operation fails, you have to look for single zero in every column. Now starting from the first column, तो this has already been assigned, इसको छोड़ दो. अब second column में single zero है. Yes, a single zero is there in the second column. तो वहाँ पे you make an assignment and corresponding to this cell जितनी भी उस रो में zeros है उसे क्रॉस कर दो. अब corresponding to this cell तो ये रो है तो ये ज़ीरो हमने क्रॉस कर दी. Now moving towards the third column, are you getting a single zero? No, so there are two zeros, leave it. Now moving towards the fourth column, are you getting a single zero? Again two zeros, so leave it. अब fifth column में भी कोई single zero नहीं है. Now again check row wise कि किसी रो में सिंगल ज़ीरो है. तो फर्स्ट रो में नहीं है, सेकंड में नहीं है, थर्ड में नहीं है, फोर्थ में नहीं है, फिफ्थ में नहीं है. दिस मीन्स व्हाट कि नाइदर इन रो नॉर इन कॉलम यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी सिंगल ज़ीरो. तो व्हेन दिस ऑपरेशन फेल्स कि व्हेन इन रो एंड कॉलम वी आर नॉट गेटिंग सिंगल ज़ीरो, तो देन यू हैव टू लुक फॉर टू ज़ीरोस इन द कॉलम फ्रॉम द बैक साइड. कि आपने पीछे से वो कॉलम देखना है जिसमें क्या हो टू ज़ीरोस है. तो इफ़ यू लुक एट फ्रॉम द बैक साइड, तो इस कॉलम में तो कुछ नहीं है ना, इस कॉलम में क्या है टू ज़ीरोस है. तो जो फर्स्ट ज़ीरो आ रही है फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम, तो यू शुड असाइन दैट ज़ीरो. तो इसके ऊपर आपने क्या करनी है, असाइनमेंट करनी है. देन कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस सेल ऑल द ज़ीरोस इन दिस रो एंड इन दिस कॉलम विल बी कैंसल्ड आउट. तो इसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग ये कैंसिल होगी, इसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग ये कैंसिल होगी. So this operation of looking for two zeros in the column from back side is to be performed only once. So after performing one time, again you have to look for single zero in row and in column. फर्स्ट रो में ऑलरेडी साइंड में, सेकंड में साइंड है, थर्ड में है नहीं है, फोर्थ में साइंड है, फिफ्थ में सिंगल जीरो है. यस, इन द फिफ्थ रो देयर इज वन सिंगल जीरो विच इज नाइदर क्रॉस्ड नॉट असाइंड. तो यू make an assignment over that and cross all the other zeros. Now if you look at all the zeros, either all the zeros are crossed or all the zeros are assigned. Means what? So there is no zero in this whole matrix which is left vacant. तो कोई भी zero नहीं है, सभी क्या है या तो assigned है या क्या है crossed है. तो when will you get the optimal solution? When in every row and in every column there is one assignment. तो हम चेक कर लेते हैं. पहली रो में असाइनमेंट है, ये सेकंड में है, अब थर्ड रो में असाइनमेंट नहीं है. इट मीन्स व्हाट, दिस इज़ नॉट एन ऑप्टिमल सोल्यूशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इन हंगेरियन मेथड इज़ कि व्हेन यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द ऑप्टिमल सोल्यूशन इन थर्ड स्टेप, then next step fourth is what कि move towards the optimal solution. Now next step is move towards the optimal solution. So how you will find the optimal solution from this matrix? So what is the method? So there are certain steps. The first step is take the row which is not having any assignment. So which is that row in which there is no assignment? So this is the third row in which there is no assignment. So this is our first step. Now second step is what? टेक द कॉलम विच इज़ हैविंग ज़ीरो इन दिस मार्क्ड रो, इस रो में जहाँ पे भी ज़ीरो है, ये ज़ीरो है तो वो कॉलम को टिक कर लो. This is the second step. Now third step is tick the row which is having assignment in this marked column. अब इस column में assignment कहाँ पे है, ये यहाँ पे, तो you have to tick this row. This is third step. Now after this again repeat the step second. तो step second क्या है, you have to tick the column which is having zero in that marked row. अब इस row में zero कहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे, तो वो column tick कर लो, वो already ticked है. It means no further ticking is possible. Now after the ticking operation is over, the next is you have to cross the unmarked rows and marked columns. अब unmarked rows कौन सी हैं, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So we have crossed the unmarked rows and marked column. Now after crossing the unmarked rows and marked column, so what you have to, you have to look for those elements in which the lines are not crossing. तो वो कौन से elements हैं, so these are the elements 14, 12, 14, 4 and so on. These 8 elements are there in which lines are not crossing. तो you look for the minimum value in these elements. So वो कितनी है, 4. You subtract this minimum value from all these elements और जहाँ पे lines की intersection है वहाँ पे वो minimum value plus कर दो. तो यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्शन है 8 + 4 12 और यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्शन है 19 + 4 23 और 13 + 4 17. So now make a new matrix in which this operation has to be performed. Now we have made a new matrix of 5 by 5. So next operation is subtract this minimum value from all these elements. So that is 14 minus 4. So this is 10, 8, 10, 0, then 8, 4, 2 and 0, and you have to add that minimum element where the lines are crossing. Now lines are crossing at this point, so 8 + 4, this is 12, 19 + 4 23 and 13 + 4 17. बाकी वैल्यूज़ को as it is लिख लो. So that is 0, 0, 7, 0, this is 0, 0. Now this is the reduced matrix after moving towards the optimal solution. Now the next step is what, again make the assignments in this reduced matrix. So what is the method of making assignments? तो look for single zero in the first row है, नहीं है, then second row में single zero है, नहीं है, third में, fourth में, fifth में. So in any of the row you are not getting any single zero. Now look for single zero column wise. In the first column are you getting any single zero? No. Second column में single zero है, yes. So there you make an assignment and cross all the zeros in row and column corresponding to this cell. अब इसके corresponding जितनी भी zeros हैं वो हमने क्या कर दी, क्रॉस कर दी. Now moving towards the third column, are you getting single zero? No. In the fourth column, no. In the fifth column, no. So in any of the column we are not getting any single zero. Now again look for single zero in row. In the second row 2 zeros, third, fourth and fifth. So again, so neither in row nor in column you are not getting any single zero. Then what is the step? You have to look from 2 zeros in the column from the बैक डायरेक्शन, कि आपने 2 zeros देखनी है कॉलम में फ्रॉम द बैक डायरेक्शन. अब पीछे से वो कौन सा कॉलम है जिसमें 2 zeros है. सो दिस इज़ द लास्ट कॉलम इन विच देयर आर 2 zeros. तो उसकी जो पहली ज़ीरो है उसके ऊपर आपने असाइनमेंट करनी है. तो दिस इज़ द असाइनमेंट. ना कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस ज़ीरो, जो भी रो और कॉलम में ज़ीरोस आ रही है उसको कैंसिल आउट कर दो. तो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू ये कैंसिल होगी, ये. Now this operation is to be performed only once. Now again look for single zero in row, then in column. अब रो में देखें तो हम थर्ड रो में सिंगल ज़ीरो है तो you make an assignment, बाकी क्रॉस कर दो. फोर्थ रो में सिंगल ज़ीरो है, नहीं है. फिफ्थ में नहीं है. अब रो वाइज नो सिंगल ज़ीरो इज़ देयर. नाउ लुक फॉर सिंगल ज़ीरो कॉलम वाइज. अब पहले कॉलम में नहीं है, सेकेंड में नहीं है, तो थर्ड में 2 zeros है और फोर्थ में 2 zeros है. तो व्हाट डज दिस मीन कि neither in row nor in column we are not getting any single zero. So again what is the method? You look for 2 zeros in the column from the बैक साइड। तो पीछे से वो कॉलम देखना है जिसमें 2 ज़ीरोस हैं, तो वो कौन सा कॉलम है, दिस। सो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू दिस ज़ीरो ये क्रॉस हो गया और ये क्रॉस हो गया। दिस ऑपरेशन इज टू बी परफॉर्म्ड ओनली वंस। नाउ अगेन लुक फॉर सिंगल ज़ीरो इन द रो। तो इफ़ यू लुक एट इट, नाउ दिस ज़ीरो इज़ देयर इन द लास्ट रो, तो इसको हमने असाइन कर दिया है। नाउ ऑल द ज़ीरोज़ विल बी आइदर असाइंड और क्रॉस, देयर विल नॉट बी एनी लेफ्ट ओवर ज़ीरो। तो अब कोई भी ज़ीरो लेफ्ट ओवर नहीं है। तो when will you get the optimal solution? When in every row and in every column there is one assignment. हम चेक कर लेते हैं। अब हर रो में भी असाइनमेंट है, हर कॉलम में भी असाइनमेंट है। सो दिस मीन्स व्हाट, दिस इज़ अवर ऑप्टिमल सोल्यूशन। तो ऑप्टिमल सोल्यूशन क्या आ गया कि इफ़ दिस मशीन वन, दिस इज़ असाइंड टू विच जॉब, सो दिस इज़ असाइंड टू जॉब बी। अब सेकेंड मशीन इज़ असाइंड टू जॉब ई, थर्ड इज़ असाइंड टू ए, fourth is assigned to D, and fifth is assigned to C. So this is the optimum assignment schedule by which our profit will be maximized. Now corresponding to these assignments, you have to look for the profit. Now if machine 1 is assigned this job B, then what is the profit? So profit is what, 38. Now if machine 2 is assigned job E, profit is what, 36. If machine 3rd is assigned job A, profit is 41. If machine 4 is assigned job D, this is 36. If machine 5 is assigned job C, then profit is 40. So this is the maximum profit after making these assignments.